Hey, what's going on?
Hi guys, what's up?
Look who it is.
Zach
And
and the other guy. Link. My
Zach.
name's Lincoln Wright. Good to meet you guys.
Zach too.
I've been on Zach's show a bunch of times. Thank you very much, Zach.
You're welcome. I've been on Link's show.
Oh, well, we should fix that.
That's an awkward
Sorry.
subject.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to be on it?
Why not?
Okay.
If you guys don't know who he is, then go right now and check it out.
And now I say it. My channel?
Sure.
That was okay. Can you do the ding?
Yes.
Ding?
Where can we check you out? If anyone who's watching, if they don't know who you are, where can they find you?
My name's
Break it down.
Lincoln. My name's Lincoln Wright. Ding.
Ding.
And I'm on paintonplastic.com.
Ding.
And ding. And the YouTube channel name is the same too.
Ding.
So come and show me your sweet models.
Ding, ding, ding. All right. We are finally meeting in person.
Yeah.
And the reason is,
And pleasure to meet you too, Zach.
of course, the reason is because we want to let you guys know about the new contest.
We're doing Ma.K on Gunpla and Gunpla on Ma.K. Crisscross.
When worlds collide, east and west, or west and what's Australia? Far west.
Well, they're both east.
But I live in the east.
Ah, okay. I
I'm
live
Western.
in the South. Korea
Yeah.
and Japan and Australia and the crisscross.
When worlds collide.
Worlds
Machining
collide.
Krieger, Gunpla, that's the theme. You need to combine the themes. Machining Krieger, Gunpla. Sorry, it's closing time here at Surugaya. And the point is, that is the theme for this contest. So, just taking a Machining Krieger Prowler and strapping a V-fin on it is not really going to be
What if
very
it was
impressive.
very sharp and Gundam-y like?
The rest of the kit,
Well, the V-fin.
with a V-fin.
The V-fin.
Yes, and if it has a Gundam
What?
decals.
I'll try to be serious for a sec. We have not been consuming various beverages either. I think there's a bunch of really cool ways you could do it. There's we can that happen. I mean, you could just take a paint scheme from say Gunpla and apply it straight to a Machining Krieger kit. Go for like a nice high gloss look.
Yes.
We haven't paid our power bills. Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
So that could look really nifty. We could also take just paint scheme from Machining Krieger and put it on a Gunpla, especially a particular one. But we can also do other things too, like take the aesthetic across, right? Like put the pipes, the aerials, different sort of decals, like rescale it. Like make put a 120 like Zach's done in the past. I thought was really nifty. Put the 120 to scale figure together with a Gunpla kit to rescale it visually. There's a lot of things we could do with this to make it really fun. Yeah. Sorry, that went very long, didn't it?
No, that's exactly right.
That's exactly right. Stuff.
Exactly. So that's the goal for the contest now. I'll explain a little bit about the rules. So entry in the contest is going to be exactly like any of my contests in the past. What you need to do is send me an email at zakuaureliusofficial@gmail.com. I'll put it in the link below. I'm not going to be able to put it in the video because I don't have any editing skills.
And then don't put things in?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So
that's what.
You send your entry email to zakuaureliusofficial@gmail.com, and what you need in your official entry email is you need to just put in the title. Put in the title. What are we going to title it? I guess.
Oh, hey.
Gunpla.
You know how, like at Hobby Japan, we did that series called Ma.K in SF3D?
Ma.K.
In SF3D. That was the Hobby Japan
Yeah.
series. What about
Ma.K.
Ma.K in Gunpla?
Yeah, Ma.K. in Gundam.
Oh, in Gundam. Okay.
Ma.K.
It's a bit obvious, but
That's the title. So title your email, very important. Ma.K. in Gundam Contest. For the title of the email, just so I can keep everything organized because I'm doing this all on my own here, organizing everything. And
hey, I will offer to help, and that's the help. It's the offer.
Lincoln's help. So we'll be judging the contest together. That's the thing. But I will be collecting all the entries.
Please allow me to judge competition so that I can make one friend and many enemies.
Lincoln's a busy guy.
No. I'm happy. I'm really happy to be involved and help out with something like this. When you mention it, you might look, hey, that sounds fun.
Yes. So what you need in your email then is that you just need a picture. So you just need a picture of whatever base kit you're going to use. You can mix and match whatever parts you want.
Good idea.
I just need to see what is the base kit that you're going to be using, and need to see that it's going to be a new kit. So either something that's completely new or something that's just snap built and you haven't started doing any kind of custom work on it. So I just need to see that it's something that's a new project. So you need the picture of that and little paper in the picture saying your name, date, and country. So that's the thing. You need name, date, and country.
And,
have to include that.
Credit card details?
Credit card, social security, everything like that. That's optional. That'll be really appreciated.
No, don't send that. I'm kidding.
No,
I'm kidding.
Of course not. You need your name, date, and country in the picture in a piece of paper, handwritten, please. And that is it for your entry. Once you enter, then I'll get back to you and say, okay, I got your entry. And just give me a couple days. I may not be able to enter. I may not be able to respond right away, but I'll respond. And then the deadline for the contest is going to be July 25th. So you guys have a couple months.
Sweet.
Yeah,
Okay,
plenty of time. Yeah, if you need to order kits, whatever you need to work on, so you should have plenty of time to do that. July 25th, and then after that, we'll announce our winners. The prizes are also co-sponsored, Worlds Colliding.
Really?
For the sponsors.
Did that guy who's over there say yes?
Yeah, the guy who is like falling asleep in the convenience store over there said yes. He's probably not gonna like that I said that in the video.
No, it's cool. Brian's got all kinds of games. All kinds.
We're sponsoring the contest with Hobbyco in Australia is sponsoring half the prizes, and
Cool.
Adam at USA Gundam Store is sponsoring the other half.
Thank you very much, Adam.
Yes. I'm just gonna switch hands here. Whoa. There we go. Sorry. Professional video over here.
Whoa.
Excuse me. So there's gonna be 4 prizes.
Don't show that.
4 prizes. 2 from each company.
Cool.
So each company is going to be providing $150 and $100 gift card, but store credit to their store, so you guys will be able to buy.
You can choose, so you don't not stuck with
whatever
cool.
you want. So there'll be a first and second prize. Both first and second will have $150, and then third and fourth will get $100.
Are the judges allowed to enter?
No.
I need the money. Is it redeemable for cash? Okay, sorry. It was worth a try.
Yeah. Okay. But if you guys have any other questions about the details, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to clear that up for you. But if you've entered any of my contests in the past or seen any of my other contest videos in the past, it's pretty much the same thing. You know the rules, you know the theme.
Yep.
You know
Deadline.
that Lincoln is involved.
Okay.
And he's a pro with mad credentials. So we're looking
I wanted
for
to say
some
something
top quality
funny,
work.
but I had nothing. right there.
Sorry.
I'm really excited to see what we do because it's this kind of additional creativity of, especially crossing the streams, I think is really fun.
Yes.
And whichever one you're stronger at, you can then just add some of the other one to it. So it's kind of a good opportunity to both branch into something new, but still, work on your game with what you're already good at.
Yeah. So yeah, that kind of experimentation, creativity.
It's a really good way to improve that way.
for.
It's like, cross training. It's good stuff.
Of course. So I should also mention then too, after your official entry, once you're finished with your build, you need to enter before the deadline. You need to enter 5 photos, no more, no less.
Okay.
5 final photos for your final entry. And again, I'll confirm your final entry once I get it. But 5 final photos and
Cool.
have fun with it. Again, if you guys have questions, just let me know. But that's the new contest. Ma.K in Gundam Contest.
Nice. I'll jump in if it's okay.
Yes.
I'll try to jump in if there's any questions that I spot that I might be able
course.
to add value or
Yeah.
help out with.
Sure,
I'll
sure,
be
sure.
on Zach's channel and I'll reply to them.
Yeah.
The little red robot dude. Actually, this guy. When I reply, it'll be this dude. That's me. But nice
That's
to look
me.
at.
And I should also clear up, because this is a question I always forget to clear up and people always ask, is that people ask, can I use different Kotobukiya parts or can I use other Gundam parts, away parts? You can use whatever you want.
Good.
So
Thank
that,
you for saying that. Please,
Yes.
be wild. Use
Whatever you want.
like. Nice. Thank you.
So long as it fits within the theme that it looks like some sort of mix of elements of Machine Krieger and Gundam,
Just needs to look cool,
Together.
right?
Yeah.
I think that's fun and cool.
something cool.
Yeah, definitely.
So that's the contest. Hope you guys are excited about that. I'm excited to finally meet Lincoln in person.
That was awesome meeting
Yeah.
Zach. And he's way bigger than he looks on YouTube.
Look how big I
I
am.
know, he's really tall. He's really big. What are you, like 6'1", 2?
6'2".
Yeah.
But that's it.
There
So
you go, Jack Info.
there you go, guys. That's a new contest. Have fun, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks, guys.
Bye bye.